winners on stage to receive the award. Yes, they are coming. The team is coming. Kho-Kho team, ladies and gentlemen, girls Kho-Kho. The runner, green house. Please round the applause for them. Congratulations to House Green and thank you sir for being the honor. Please wait for some time. Yes, Kho-Kho girls, the winners are. Any guess? Yes, it is red. Red House, the winner of Kho-Kho. Yes, House Captain, Vice Captain and House Master Shivani, please do join us on stage for receiving the award. Kho-Kho girls, winner is Red House. Come on, Shivani, come on, you are enough, alone enough. Everybody please round of applause for Miss Shivani. No problem, I know the children, they are busy in different programs. Anyone can join you. Any team member. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, winner of Kho-Kho. Red, the color red. Next segment, Kabaddi girls. The runner is once again the Go Green. Thank you sir for doing the honor. Now for next segment. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Kabaddi girls. Ladies and gentlemen, Kabaddi runners, greenhouse. Yeah. Congratulations, everybody. A round of applause for them, everybody. The runners of Kabaddi girls, greenhouse. That is APJ Kalam House. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ishtiaq Nadwi, the captain of the ship. Maroon House, yeah. Aryabhat. Congratulations, Maroon team. And thank you, Dharman and everybody. Next, Salima. Next segment, the winner of Kabaddi World. Okay. Boys, runner team, senior. Kabaddi senior boys. Runner is Maroon. And to do the honor, I would like to request Miss Asya, please come on the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, senior boys Kabaddi runner-up is the Maroon House and Aryabhat House. And remember one thing, you can calculate, keep your calculator on. The winners getting 3 points, runners getting 6 points, and the third place people they will be getting 3 points. And these accumulated points will make them the champions at the end, ladies and gentlemen. So please keep waiting. Congratulations, everybody. Yes, please hold on. Please be on. Duos, team members, please join. Kabaddi senior team winners. I suppose everybody is here and there. Yes, the winner of the Kabaddi boys team is Blue House. Please,
जल्दी आइए ना, बैठ के बात कीजिएगा।
round of applause for them. Consider, please. Keep on waiting. I know it's a little late, but waiting will ever. Get winners. Everybody, big round of applause for cricket team winner. Congratulations, Red House people. Now, the cooking segment. Runner-up, there is a tie between Red House and Maroon House, so we have decided to give awards to both of the team. Whose house it is? Red House, same way Maroon House. Yes, sir. We have the two prizes. Yes, both the houses we have prizes. Yeah. Congratulations, both houses. Now, it's time for the winners. Ladies and gentlemen, the chief guest, for one final time on stage to give away the trophy of the champions of session 2025-26. There was a tough fight between houses. Would you believe?
Hey, Babu.
Just one mark margin and they are the champions. So it is very important how we run or how we finish. The team which has finished, which has touched the mark at the top, can only guess the champion of the champions. Ladies and gentlemen, the house with 192 points, everything clear. The house is named after a person who gave zero to the world. Yes, it is Aryabhat. Ladies and gentlemen, the champion is Aryabhat. That is Maroon House. I request the house masters, all the house masters and associate house masters, please, rouse them, my mates. It's your show, special party for you. The champions of Maroon House, please join us on the stage. The champion house for this session, ladies and gentlemen, is called Maroon. Please. Yes, capture the moment. Other houses, the game is not over, gentlemen. Everybody try your best next time. This is all. Thank you, sir, for your very
72, please come on the stage. I would like to call Mr. Rahul Vaisal, please come on the stage. And do the honor of Sabi Azad. Please give a big round of applause. The next one, Rumar Rahman, 72, please come on the stage. Love on them. Rehanuddin, 72, Rehan Ashraf, 71, Rehan Standard 8. Please come on the stage.
हाँ,
Please come on the stage.
अरे बिजी है अभी इसलिए ना फोन उठा रहे हैं ना, फ्री होके बात करते हैं ना।
Do honor, please come on the stage. Al-Azhar,
हाँ?
please come on the stage.
बोलो। अच्छा,
Please give a big round of applause of them.
एक मिनट।
Atif Ashraf 72, Kainat Fatma 72, Uzama Hassan 72. Please come on the stage.
To do the honor, I would like to call Ms. Shafa. Ms. Shafa, please come on the stage.
Praise the students. Very popular, I know. Because Rahul is with Rahul sir. It's Rahul Roy, Ashiki. Very popular among our children. To do the honor, I would like to request our director sir, please do join me on the stage. And the other name, not far behind, is Miss Palak Naz. Please join me on the stage, Miss Palak. She has also done us proud outside the school. Palak Naz. They are truly the gems of little reverence among our children. With our children, ahead of our children, behind our children. Congratulations, Mr. Rahul, Ms. Palak, and thank you, Director Sir, to do the honor. Applause for her. Congratulations, Yusra. And thank you, Zara Khan sir.